In this video, learn how to download VLC Player in Windows 11. Open Chrome web browser and type VLC Player for Windows. Press Enter. Go to the official VLC Player website. On the website's homepage, you should see a download button. Click on Arrow button. Choose the appropriate version of VLC Player for your system, such as 32-bit or 64-bit, based on your computer's specifications. Click VLC Package for 64-bit version. To start the download, click Open Folder. In Download folder, double-click on the Setup file to run the installer. The installer will guide you through the installation process. Review and accept the license agreement if prompted. Click on the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. It may take a few moments. Once the installation is finished, launch VLC Player. VLC Player is now installed on your Windows 11 computer and ready to use. You can now use VLC Player to play various media files on your Windows 11 system.